Hi, it's Tim. We just finished building this beautiful Ford engine for our customer's 1940 Ford Hot Rod. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build here. We started with a brand new 4-bolt main block. All forged steel internals are in there. Double roller timing chain, roller lifter camshaft, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, roller rocker arms, fully adjusted and set, Cobra valve covers with a matching air cleaner, proper Canton Racing rear sump oil pan for the customer's application for the 1940 Ford Hot Rod, oil stick and tube. We installed Taylor ignition wires made in USA. All the wire markers are on there. Oil pressure extension for the oil pressure switch hookup. Makes it easy to hook up everything. Heavy duty Russell fuel line, gas filters on there, clamps, Holley Sniper fuel injection on there. The entire Holley Sniper fuel injection will be menu screen completely dialed in and set for the customer. Every engine is live run for over 45 minutes. You'll get a video of your engine running in the stand. You'll see the manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot. We set the ignition timing. We dial in the menu screen on the Holley Snipers, all set, ready to go, plug and play. Proper automatic flex plate for the customer's AOD transmission, proper tooth count and balance. We have the manifold vacuum fittings installed in the back of the intake manifold for easy vacuum hookups. PCV ventilation line, heavy duty Russell line. It's real nice black Raptor pulley kit, AC compressor, self-tensioning belt tensioner, 8-rib serpentine belt, high flow aluminum water pump, thermostat housings installed. We put the thermostat in there, coolant bypass hose, 160 amp 1-wire hookup alternator. The GM Type 2 power steering pump is on there. Customer will be supplied with the remote reservoir and all the power steering line kit. So this way you get it, a complete turnkey, ready to go engine. Thanks for watching.